Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best wall ovens that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Merksang 24-inch electric single-wall oven. This is the budget-friendly option in our list, priced at just $405.99, making it an excellent choice for those looking for affordability without sacrificing performance. It boasts a spacious 2.5 cubic feet of cooking space, allowing you to prepare multiple dishes at the same time, thanks to its ability to accommodate up to 5 racks. The design is sleek and modern, featuring a durable stainless steel build and a 3-layer tempered glass door that ensures heat insulation and safety. With 8 versatile cooking modes, including roasting, baking, grilling, and broiling, this oven delivers flexibility for all your culinary needs. The built-in convection system ensures even cooking, making it suitable for family meals or entertaining guests. Plus, the enamel cavity simplifies cleaning, while the removable oven door adds to its maintenance ease. However, being the budget option, it lacks some of the advanced features found in higher-end models, such as rotisserie or air frying functions. While it's perfect for straightforward cooking tasks, it may not appeal to users looking for premium extras. Overall, the Merksang oven is ideal for those seeking a reliable, cost-effective wall oven that gets the job done without breaking the bank. At number 4, we have the Aliexpress 24-inch single-wall oven. Priced at $449.99, this oven offers excellent value for its price point. Designed with a spacious 2.5 cubic feet capacity, it's ideal for cooking multiple dishes simultaneously. The 8 cooking modes include grill, convection broil, rapid heating, and even heat preservation, making it versatile enough for various culinary techniques. The build quality of the Aliexpress oven is impressive, featuring a polished stainless steel exterior that's rust-resistant and scratch-proof. The mechanical knob controls are simple to use, while the touch LED display adds a modern touch to its functionality. It also comes with thoughtful features like a removable, dual-side rack system, a child lock for safety, and multiple accessories such as a ceramic tray and wire mesh rack to enhance your cooking experience. On the downside, its customer reviews suggest mixed opinions, with some users noting issues with the convection performance and the timer knob's precision. While it's not the most advanced model on the list, it's a reliable option for families or anyone looking for a mid-range oven with a wide range of functions. If you prioritize durability and practicality, the Aliexpress oven is a solid choice. Coming in at number 3 is the AMZ Chef 24-inch single-wall oven, priced at $469.99. This model stands out with its unique 360-degree rotating rotisserie feature, allowing you to cook perfectly roasted chickens, ribs, and more with even heat distribution. With a spacious 2.65 cubic feet capacity and 5 versatile cooking functions, this oven is a great addition to any family kitchen. The design is sleek and professional, featuring stainless steel panels that complement various kitchen styles. It's powered by a robust 2200W system, offering precise temperature control from 122 Fahrenheit to 482 Fahrenheit. The mechanical knob controls are intuitive and easy to use, ensuring you can adjust settings effortlessly. Cleaning is made simple with the enamel inner liner and removable oven door, adding convenience to your cooking experience. The AMZ Chef oven excels at baking, roasting, and grilling, but its feature set is somewhat limited compared to higher-ranked models on this list, as it lacks advanced modes like air frying or convection broil. Nonetheless, its sturdy build quality and consistent performance make it a reliable choice for family-oriented cooking. If you're seeking an oven with a focus on rotisserie and traditional functions, this one is worth considering. At number 2, we have the Hypocute 24-inch electric single-wall oven priced at $523.99. This oven offers advanced technology and versatility, making it ideal for enthusiasts who love experimenting in the kitchen. With a 2.5 cubic feet capacity and 8 baking modes, it can handle everything from air frying to 3D surround heating for evenly cooked meals. The design is both functional and stylish, featuring a black exterior and a touch glass panel with digital controls for precise settings. Its double-layered glass door provides superior heat insulation and safety, while the convection system ensures consistent results for baking, roasting, and broiling. Additionally, the air frying function is a game-changer for healthier cooking options, and the 108 pre-programmed smart menus make meal prep effortless. While this oven is packed with features, it's slightly heavier and more expensive than some other models on the list. However, its excellent performance and advanced capabilities make it a great investment for home chefs who want a cutting-edge appliance in their kitchen. If you're looking for a versatile and high-tech oven, the Hypocute model is a fantastic choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the Gasland 24-inch gas wall oven, priced at $699.99. As the premium option on our list, this oven delivers exceptional performance and a luxurious design that's perfect for modern kitchens. Featuring 6 versatile cooking modes, including convection rotisserie, bake, broil, and more, it offers flexibility for a wide range of cooking styles. The build quality is top-notch, with a durable black finish and a triple-layer tempered glass door for enhanced safety and insulation. The spacious 2.12 cubic feet interior includes a 5-layer adjustable shelf system, making it ideal for family meals or hosting guests. The intuitive knob and digital control panel allow precise temperature adjustments between 300 degrees Fahrenheit and 500 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring perfect results every time. Plus, the rotisserie kit adds a gourmet touch to your cooking repertoire. While it's the most expensive model on the list, its features justify the price tag. The Gasland oven combines high performance, safety, and style, making it a standout choice for those who want the best of the best. If you're ready to invest in a premium wall oven, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.